So we are going to go into A1 and fix this. A1, put this here. This max group, if we enter into it, we can move this back. Right. Great. C6. Center, bring this closer a bit. Maxed group. Last one is B2. That's about it. So I mean, everyone knows that you can easily export any of these from the Figma. You can just get this exact stuff. So it's easier to just do that instead. But you have to learn all those things. If not, you find out that you don't know about it, and then you'll be surprised, at some point. So that's why we need to explain it. Next is this pattern. So let's make this a frame. And let's send the frame into After Effects. So wait for a bit for it to send. Interesting. It sends in a very weird way. Okay. Okay. Right. So we're going to take this frame and pre-compose it to say pattern. We can delete the rest, even though you can delete the rest. So like this now, we want it to extend, make it longer. So I can take this pattern and maybe come to frame 6 here, this frame 4. I can take this frame 4, let me do Ctrl X, and then under rectangle is background, so BG. Between rectangle and between the background, I can make sure that this pattern is here. Then let's just extend the length of this thing. So go to frame, composition settings, and you can extend this to about a minute. Make that longer. Alright, cool. I can make this longer as well. Now I can fill this, I can call this pattern P-A-T-T, and that's the wrong spelling, but should also remove from being a guide layer this place. So this pattern, we're going to turn it maybe 90 degrees. We're going to make it smaller. We could also color it, so effect, fill, color it white, or maybe their color just slightly brighter. Alright, so we can put this on quarter and fit the screen. So I'm going to quickly repeat it several times. So there's an effect called reptile. So I'm going to if you don't see it here, we are going to have to search for it. Okay, let's just go to Windows, effects and presets. Under here we search for reptile. So this is it attached. So you can expand up. As you can see, it's expanding that way. You can expand down. No, you can't see down, but you can see left. No, let's not expand left yet. Let's just expand up for now. So we are going to do 2 keyframes as usual. 2 seconds. So we'll just move this maybe left, going left. So basically, if I play this animation, press N here. If I play this animation, it goes this way, which is too fast. So I'll just press it out. So if I press animation, it's going this way. So I'm going to duplicate pattern, press P for position, or instead of P for position, press A for anchor point. So P already has keyframes on it, and I want the keyframes to remain. Yeah, but press A is another way of moving things around without affecting position keyframes. So press A for anchor point, and then I'll just move this 449, bring it, maybe take it up like that. Then the P, they are both going to go the same way, right? So if I switch these keyframes, I take this one to that end and I take this one to the other end, it means that they will now be going in opposite directions, right? Cool. So we'll do that one more time. Ctrl Z. I'll take the first one and duplicate it. So that one more time. Use A to bring this up here on top of this one right there. And now, so the 3 of them, 3 patterns, I can just do pre-compose and call it pattern. Scale it down a bit, bring it down here, and it can just be doing this thing. Now it's also pop out from left and right. So if it's not doing that, it's because it is not a continuous rasterize, whatever. It's an After Effects thing. So just click this button here, and you should see it come out from both sides. So that is how that pattern can be made to look out right. So we are doing this just to add a little bit of like difference between our own and the one that PiggyVest put out. So let's do the folder. So we're going back to look at our so the text comes from up to down and head over to cache. Head over to the app comes from sticky right typewriter effect. So from up to down. So in our own we're going to make it from down to up so that it looks different from theirs. There's a confetti that is missing. Okay. So we're going to search for confetti PNG. Emoji. Yep. So let's look for tools, color, transparent. Great. I'm fine with taking any one. Rather than SVG, rather take just PNG. Download without stressing me. Thank you. All right. We would be dragging that one in. And scaling it down to put here. Great. I mean, it's not the best, but we shall manage. So this is typewriter effect. So just go to typewriter effect and double click it. So if you press U, you can see your keyframes. We can make sure that typewriter effect starts maybe from the beginning. So you need to do head over to the app to check yours. When it gets to the end, we can make our party popper whatever appear. So to make something appear is transparency. So press T, 2 keyframes, and then the first keyframe make it 0. You then go to where this head over to blah blah blah, where it ends, and then you move this there. So you have it writing out, and then it ends with that. I mean, that works. So before any of the two of them even come out, we want this text to also come out. So your January to June work result is out. I think January to June is going to be in their color, that color. I think so. So now let's allow this animate from down to up. So press P, come here, so down, come here, take it down, press T for transparency, first place off. Then these keyframes, you do F9 easing, and then you go to graph editor and you drag it left. Great. So that is fine. Yeah. We then use our mask tool, which is this rectangle. While something is clicked, we just mask this one. That's fine. Click on it and Control D. If you press M, it will show you the mask that exists. You click on the mask and then you click inverted, so you get the second one out. So all you need to do now is to make it come sequentially. So this first one will come, the second one will come shortly after, and then head over to the app together with the party popper emoji will come after. So just like that. So you can make this happen a lot faster. Make this happen a lot faster. Just drag this here. Right. Great. So all that is left is for us to go into files, bring it from outside to inside, and the last thing would be to animate the mask that goes around, and we're done.